Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now you just start to play this game, Sounds of the Forest, and you simply have low FPS, lagging. I'm gonna show you a couple of ways to fix this problem. I know this is a very painful experience when you just want to play the game and it's just annoying you, it's bothering you because you don't have a good experience. So now let's jump right into the video and make sure you subscribe if this video is gonna help you. I really appreciate it and really help a lot. I post consistently every single day tutorials for you, so you learn tricks and ways and methods to fix errors or just tutorials and about software. So now let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do first, and this is really good ways to fix performance, to increase performance on inner Windows. I'm always doing this, even if I have the best computer in the world. I really like to optimize my Windows so I can get the best, the highest FPS possible and maximum FPS. So make sure here you click on custom. Make sure you click on custom and you click on show thumbnail instead of icons, smooth edges, and click on OK. It's pretty good and will give you some FPS. And you can also go in settings, here settings, and then what you can do here is to go to gaming, and here make sure you uncheck Xbox game bar, and also you can turn this on if it's off. It's good now in Windows 10. This you should have turned it off, but in Windows 11 it is in fact better, and it can give you FPS. Now click on graphics right over there, and now what you can do here is to click on browse, add the game to this list, and then click on the game, and here click on options and select high performance. It's gonna make sure if you have this option on, then Windows will not decide which power saving or high performance. So if you select high performance, Windows will always use high performance when you're playing the game. So that's what we want. We want high performance. I always, like as a side note, make sure always you close any apps that's running in the background when you open the game. This will make sure that you don't have any apps that's taking performance from your computer when you play the game. So now another thing that you can do is to right click on Windows logo, select run, and here make sure you write msconfig, and now click on OK. And now what you can do is to go to boot. Okay, go to boot, and then you can also go to advanced options, and now go to advanced options, and here make sure you click on numbers of processors, check number of processors, and here make sure you select the maximum numbers of processors you have on your computer. So I have 12, I'll select 12 and OK, and apply and OK. Exit out. Okay, and you can also press on your keyboard Control Shift and ESC. Okay, and here make sure you close any apps that's running in the background when you open your computer. Okay, so right on the app and click on disable. As you can see, I have tons of apps that is disabled, and this is gonna help you. Now you can also go to settings again, and here what you can do is to go to storage, and here in storage make sure you click on temporary files, and here this is gonna help you to just clean your computer. And as you can see, there's tons of we can save a lot of space, and you can also recycle bin and download if you don't have any important files in the download folder. Okay, and as you can see how much space we can save if we're doing this. Click on OK and continue. Perfect, and now you clean your computer. That's very good. And you can also go Windows logo plus R, and here you can write temp and OK, and here just clean everything here, nothing important, just temporary files. Windows logo plus temp, and now here write temp percentage temp, and here make sure you click on temp and OK. Perfect. Now Control A and select everything and press delete on your keyboard, and it's gonna delete everything. Look how much space we can save on our computer. Click continue, everything 2.56 gigabytes. Okay, nothing's gonna happen with your computer. And if there's some files that you can't download, there is not allowing you, that's totally fine. Probably there's some files from Windows, and that's totally fine. Okay, so that's one way. Another way you can do is to go to GeForce Experience, and make sure here you go to the game and then click on game details, and here make sure you select high performance. Okay, here you should have the option to select high performance. That's another thing that I do on my other computer when I play this game. And also make sure you update your Windows, and if you go to Windows and here Windows Update, you click on Advanced Options, Optional Updates. Make sure there's all the updates here are installed, all the drivers here, sorry, and click on Download Install. Okay, perfect guys, that's what you have to do. I really hope this video helped you, and I hope you don't have this problem anymore, this painful problem when you just play the game. I think it's a very painful problem. Okay, so I hope you don't have this problem anymore, and this video helped you. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and leave your thoughts in the comment section if this video helped you or not. Thank you for watching, and take care.